Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you make horror analog on CapcCut? Well, it's really easy to do the editing. So once you get that skill honed up, you're just going to search up some analogs online. There's a bunch of free analogs, horror analogs, or you could actually ask for AI to generate you an analog, because a lot of free analogs right there that we could see here. There might be some free analogs, but if you want to have originality based off of what you're creating, then AI is the best solution so that you guys could actually get the analog that you prefer. And once you search it here, AI analog generation, you'll get your free analog that you could edit later on CapcCut. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.